Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. This week we're just going through a week in my life. I'm going to show you how I film my gym workouts, what a week of work looks like, my workouts, the food that I eat, and just little fun things like that, just to give you a little blip into my life. I am excited to have you here, so let's get right into it. This is the setup I've been using. This is a Sony a7 III, and then I just got this new lens. This is a G series E-mount Sony lens, 2.8, 16-55. So I was really excited about getting this lens. One of the big reasons why I did it was because I wanted a lower f-stop on my lenses to give more of that blur effect in the background. I have a ceramic microphone on the top here, and then this tripod. So this is what I use to film my workout videos. My headstands before I go upstairs. It's just a really fun thing that I've been doing. I'm a little shaky, but filming on my phone right now because I'm finishing up some content on my camera. We just finished the leg day. I'm gonna go eat some food, rest a little bit, and start some work and get on with my day. So let's go. I'm making a smoothie. We're doing blueberry, frozen banana, some mighty mushroom, chaga, and reishi. We're doing some oat milk, some peanut butter, and then I'm gonna grab some vanilla protein. So I don't post about my work a lot, but I am a UGC creator as well as like a health and fitness influencer, content creator, coach. Right now, what I'm doing is actually something really exciting. I started UGC, maybe a year ago, 2 years ago, and I am signing a contract with Dove to do UGC content for them. So I'm reading through the contract right now, and I'm about to sign it, and I'm really excited that I signed a contract with Dove. I just want the world to know it. I'm just kidding. I'm not trying to brag, but it is really exciting. I just wanted to put that in the vlog. 6 miles. I am a very fast walker and I love walking fast. And I just did 5.3 miles in about an hour and 25 minutes.
They feel ripe. Oh, they feel ripe. I can feel them in the bag. Just stop. 2 more days. 2 more days.
How's your fast going?
2 more days and you can have some too.